Hi, my name is Rebecca Jeffries, and I'm from Layton, Alabama. And today we're going to be making a buffalo chicken dip for you. I made this recipe up for my husband. He loves buffalo chicken tenders, and so I made him a recipe for a dip that he could have during football games. And we've taken it to tailgate parties and Super Bowl parties, and everybody loved it. And it's quick and easy, and that's really one good thing about it. Our ingredients: we have 2 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese. We have 2 cups of ranch. I have a homemade ranch here, but you can use whatever kind you like. We've got 3 cups of shredded chicken. These are chicken breasts that I've just baked in the oven and shredded up. You could use a rotisserie chicken and pull it off the bone and shred it up, or whatever kind of chicken you like to use in it. And then I have 1 cup of hot sauce here. This is our favorite kind of hot sauce. So we're going to start off by opening up our cream cheese and mixing it up in the mixing bowl. Alright, we're going to open up our packages of cream cheese and put them in our mixing bowl so we can get them nice and creamy. Here's one. Now we're going to cream it up really good in the mixer for just about a minute or so. Alright, now that we've got that all creamed up, we're going to put our ranch in now. Like I said, this is 2 cups of ranch, and we're just going to pour all that in. Scrape our bowl and then mix it all up together. Okay, now that that's all mixed together, we are going to take out our beater and we're just going to stir in everything else. So you can see that's pretty well and incorporated. You want to have your cream cheese out at room temperature before you start. So next we're going to pour in our 3 cups of chicken and our hot sauce, and we're going to stir it all up together. Alright. You just want to get this really good and mixed up so all the flavors are combined. Alright, now that we've got this all good and incorporated, we are going to pour it into our baking dish. Put it all ready here. This is a 9 by 13 pan. It works well. Get it all good and scraped out the pan. Then we're going to spread this out and bake it for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. You want it to get just nice and bubbly. Our dip's been cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes, and we're about to pull it out and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's nice and bubbly and hot, and that's just how we want it. Just want it to get really good and warmed up. also, we got some tortilla chips here, and that's what way we like to eat ours. You can also eat it with toasted bread or celery or whatever you want to put it on. And this is my recipe for buffalo chicken dip. I hope you enjoy it.